Hey! Thanks for checking out this channel. These days, with increasing natural disasters like wildfires, floods, tornadoes and severe storms, and any other emergency situation, like a long-term power outage, food shortage or pandemic, any one of us can end up being a yo-yo survivor. And, in most cases, with very little to no notice. Remember, when you're on your own and in the middle of a crisis, you don't want to be scrambling to learn new skills. Knowing basic survival skills and being prepared in advance is so important for you and your family and could mean the difference between life and death. This upcoming year will no doubt be even more unpredictable. So whatever your survival focus, urban survival for the everyday person and their family, to wilderness mastery and self-sufficient living, Yo-Yo Survivor is here to provide great information and resources for you, your family and friends to follow, like and share. So enjoy and stay safe.